Hey guys, so we're at my sister's office, and this is typically used as like a makeup cart. You can also go ahead and put other things, but what I wanted to show you is that has multiple and functional uses. She's actually using it for a snack holder. You can see the snacks that are on top, bottles of water on the bottom. This does roll around, and then you can see that it's got two locks here, so that if you're not wanting anybody to go ahead and roll it around, you can actually lock it in place. But everything is made out of metal. You can hear it as I hit it. All made of metal. It is pink and white, and it has some great uses. So if you are looking for something for your office, a boutique, or anything like that, this is actually functional, and it does and can serve for multiple purposes. So just wanted to go and show that to you because, like I said, I think when it says makeup stand, that's not what we're using it for. We're actually using it for snacks.